How to change YouTube full screen settings. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube, log into your account, click on your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on settings located on top right corner of your screen. In here, click on general, which is the first option below account. If you click on general, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply in here you'll find zoom in option. This is not available on my device. You'll find this kind of screen, zoom to fill screen. Make sure zoom to fill screen is turned on. After you turn it on, you're good to go. This is how to change YouTube full screen settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.